We can do this. We're at the end of the video. Let's do this, man. Hey, so what is... Oh, let's do that. What is going on here, Hendrik?
What's going on here, Hendrik? Let's see. We can't see it.
Can't see it?
Oh, can you see that?
Yeah.
What is it?
Yeah, what do we got
This is
here?
a Raptor.
Oh, the Raptor.
Built from cards.
Raptor trailer. Okay, that's the video.
Very nice. We do it.
Cart did that?
Europe.
European engineering. German engineering?
Very different.
It's very different.
It's just different. That's the right word. Different.
Yeah, so one of the things we're learning about cart, I'm learning, and I've been hauling cars for a while, right? And I'm a Cottrell fan and whatever. How they make these, I have been a Cottrell fan. This cart stuff is crazy, what I'm about to tell you. It's made out of military aluminum. It's made out of how do you say that?
Carbon steel, hot galvanized.
Carbon steel, hot galvanized. Okay, so military aluminum, hot galvanized.
And third one is stainless steel.
So there's also, so this is like, you're not gonna break this, right?
And it's never gonna rust.
It's never gonna rust and it's never gonna break. So the crazy part is, and I can't do this because it wouldn't be cool, but there's a new truck and trailer right over there. Right over there.
No names.
No names, no product.
Brand new and unionized.
Brand new. So I pull him out and I say, okay, show me, because you can't take this guy anywhere. He jumps out and he's like, so anyway, we're looking at brand new, and I'm starting to see what he's teaching me. He's like, look at this. See this? This is rust. It's brand new and it's rusty. Already. Okay, go ask them if they'll give you a 10-year, what do you call that? A 10-year rust warranty.
Yeah.
No rust for 10 years. If it does, bring it back. We'll give you another one.
Not really other one, but I mean, we're not gonna fix it, but there is nothing to fix, we know it.
How many? You build a lot of trailers.
Oh, that's sure.
A lot.
Yeah.
Like hundreds of thousands.
Oh, yeah, I mean, hundreds of thousands, but hundreds and thousands.
Hundreds and thousands.
I mean, Hendrik's an engineer, right?
An engineer.
Right,
yeah.
an engineer.
He's a mechanical engineer. And his brain works like that too. I mean, it's crazy following this guy and listening to him. He's teaching me a lot, by the way.
And speak please about transport solutions, because that's actually beside this rust and warranties on the frame and everything and how good it is, and you can open the doors anywhere and you are lighter and there is a safety on right and back, I mean left, and then you can use them to not fall down and everything, the stuff. But the main thing is actually not all the technical issues. The main thing is that what you need, I mean, what you really carry, what is the solution? Because the mindset is so much different. I mean, people think that, okay, I have a car hauler now and I carry just everything, You can't carry everything. I mean, not every car hauler fits for every car. Yes, if they are similar, yes, but if you want to load vans and trucks and then whatever, then it's already getting complicated. What is your
So you're saying that your trailer is a transportation solution, meaning I don't have to just haul that, I can haul other things. And there's way more to this transportation solution topic that would really blow your mind. But I've seen that Rapid, right? That Rapid is the one you can drop the top deck down,
and
you load from there. Hey! Who's Jim? Jeff? Jeff Bass? No, wait. Where's he at? What's he doing? That happened live. Did you see that? Come here and say hi.
Yeah, what's going on?
It's okay.
What are we doing here? She knows Jeff Bass.
This is Jeff Bass.